Hey class, this is my fitness data analysis project. The district I decided to do was Charter Oak Unified School District. I chose this district because I currently work for them and I also am an alumni of this district. So I thought it would be interesting to see what these numbers would look like, not only because I work here, but I'm a product of this district as well. So for this one, it's basically the high school. I provided the summary of the high school and the male and the females. This one is the middle school, Royal Oak, and again the summary of overall, the boys and the girls. This elementary school is Badillo, and this is the elementary school I currently work for. Glen Oak, which is the elementary school that my kids attend. Willow, another elementary school in our district. And then Cedar Grove, which is our biggest elementary school in our district. So the two schools I decided to analyze was Badillo and Glen Oak. So Badillo has 60 students, 32 are female, 28 are male. I provided their percentage of their health fitness zones, and overall this school is not at risk and they seem to be generally healthy, and less than half of their kids are obese. And at Glen Oak, they have 57 students, 30 of them are females, 27 are males, again provided these percentages, and unfortunately they scored a little lower, so they're at a higher risk of being unhealthy. And what was interesting though is less of their kids are obese. So comparing the similarities and the differences, both schools had the same amount of kids. Both schools also had the same amount of girls and boys. Both schools had more girls than boys. They both scored in the 80% of the trunk extensions, and the girls overall performed better than the boys, and the boys are more obese than the girls. The difference is Glen Oak has less obese kids than Badillo does, and Badillo performed better overall than Glen Oak did, and Badillo is considered more of a healthy school than Glen Oak. Thank you. Have a good day.